Voting process is underway in 7 assembly constituencies of Cachar district along with the rest of Assam. This morning, BJP candidate from Silchar assembly constituency Dr. Rajdeep Roy exceeded his voting right after Radham Dab Balika Vidyalaya in Bilpa. Our correspondent Anirudh Laskar spoke exclusively with him. Let's have a look.
Democracy's biggest festival, elections of Assam, is on the way, and today at 7 a.m. casting of votes have started in entire Assam. We are right now in Cachar district, and Silchar is one of the very important constituency. We have with us Dr. Rajdeep Roy, the BJP candidate of this constituency, who was earlier a member of parliament and this year is contesting as an MLA for this seat. It's a prestigious seat. What do you think would be, this is a democratic form where people are coming out in large numbers to cast their vote. What do you have to say to them?
Look, this is the day which is being celebrated as per the Constitution of India. Every 5 years this day comes and all. And we evaluate the work of the last government which was in place for the last 5 years, what they have done, what were their promises 5 years back, what they have delivered, how they have delivered, whether they have been able to reach to the masses, whether the delivery system was good. So based on these issues, people cast their vote. Based on this, they cast their vote. So I hope that the people of Assam and the people of Barak Valley, by and large, are very peace-loving, by and large are very proactive as far as democracy is concerned. They come out in large number, traditionally to the tune of 75% to 80%. This time, as the weather is good, I presume that the casting percentage will be more than 80 this time. So that's what I am expecting, and I am expecting, obviously, BJP-led government to, come to power back in Assam.
You have been a member of parliament earlier. This time around, you are contesting as an MLA. What would be the difference in your approach, functioning for this seat?
Look, there's a lot of difference between the functioning of an MP and an MLA. In MP, we have around 7 constituencies here. The MP's work in Delhi or in Parliament is primarily around forming new policies, studying those bills, giving their opinion and stuff like that. The number of days in the Parliament is also more than 100. So obviously a little bit of more busy activities takes place. As far as MLA's work is concerned, MLAs constitute around, say, 1 constituency. Votes may be around 2.5 lakh, as in this. So you have less work, less geographical limits, but your penetration has to go down. You have to touch almost each and every voter. The direct benefit scheme come usually through the state governments. The deliverance needs to be, executed in a proper manner. Whatever plans and programs of the state governments are, that need to go down to the root level. And the work of an MLA is just to see whether that deliverance takes place in a proper manner. People, as we say in our policy, that is Antodaya, the benefits of those social benefit scheme should reach the last poor man standing in the line.
Yes, so, yes. In those lines only, what would be your focus for these constituencies?
The focus for this constituency is getting better roads, better drainage system. The drain should be covered. The traffic system should be better. Rules and regulations should be followed. And obviously, in addition to all these civic amenities that we provide to the people of our constituency, we need to talk about development. The modern things, a good district library auditorium is coming up. A good important DC office is coming up. We are having a secretariat which is almost taking shape and all. We are having a good convention center. We need to have a good playground. We need to have good parks. We need to have good healthcare facilities. So these are the things. Now we have a cancer care hospital here in Silchar. So these are basically what people generally look for. And I think the state government has been able to deliver its, on its agenda.
Thank you very much. You have heard Dr. Rajdeep Roy speaking to us after casting his vote in Silchar. This is Anirudh Laskar for Hornbill TV.